Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor backlight not working. So here's a guide for your brightness, HDR mode and hardware check. Fix 1. Check the power. Make sure the power cable is securely connected. Verify the power LED on the monitor is on. Try a different power outlet. Fix 2. Restart the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Fix 3. Increase the brightness. Press the Navi key or joystick key to open the OSD menu. Go to Settings or Image. Increase the brightness level. Save the changes and exit the menu. Fix 4. Check the video cable. Make sure the HDMI DisplayPort or USB-C cable is firmly connected. Select the correct input source in the OSD menu. Try a different cable or port if available. Fix 5. Test with another device. Connect the monitor to a different PC, laptop, or game console. If the backlight still doesn't work, the problem is likely with the monitor. Fix 6. Factory reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and let the monitor restart. Fix 7. Update the monitor's firmware. If your MSI monitor supports firmware updates, install the latest version using MSI's official software and restart the monitor. Fix 8. Check for hardware failure. If the screen remains black but the power LED is on and you can faintly see an image by shining a flashlight on the screen, the LED backlight or backlight circuit may have failed. In this case, contact your MSI support or visit an authorized repair center for inspection or repair. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.